Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dudu. This is Dudu's recipe. I hope you're all well. Today we are preparing G-nut sauce mixed with silverfish, and this is what you're going to need. Here our G-nut sauce, and then we have here our silverfish. We have here onions, we have garlic, we have here tomatoes, we have salt to taste, we have different types of curry, we have oil here. So we are going to start our process by cleaning out our silverfish. You make sure you sort out any dirt from it, and once you're done, this is already cleaned, we put it in a pan. We first roast our silverfish on fire. Our silverfish is ready. We finished to roast it. We roast it until when it turns brown. So we are going to set it aside and we mix our G-nuts here. We use hot water to be able to mix them well. So we are going to mix until when we don't have lumps in. So here we have our G-nut sauce. We finished to mix it well, and we are going to start cooking. G-nuts are rich in nutrition, and so is silverfish. And G-nuts have oil, so we are going to use a little oil. You don't use much, you use moderate because the G-nuts already have oil in. Here is the oil. It has finished to heat up, so we are going to put the silverfish. You roast it in oil a little bit, fry it a bit, and then we add in our garlic. If you like my cooking, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like, you can view, you can share. You can click on that notification bell so that when I post something new, it comes up and you're able to watch it. So we cook the garlic together with the silverfish. We put in our onions. You give it time to cook a bit, not so soft. We finished to add the tomatoes. They are getting ready, so we'll add salt. To help the tomatoes get soft. Our tomatoes are soft, so we are now going to add in the curry, a little bit of it, some pepper, and then another type of curry. Mix it well, and then we add in our G-nuts. Mix it well. If it is too thick, you add in some water, because by the time it gets ready, it will be very, very thick. And sometimes it burns when it is so thick. So you add in water to make it dilute. Yes, like that. Then we are going to cover and cook on low heat, because if you put too much heat, they are going to burn, and we don't want them to burn. So we are going to cook them on low heat for about 30 minutes. You keep checking to see the progress. If they are becoming too thick, you add in a little water, warm water, not cold water. So we are going to cover and let our sauce get ready. So meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel, Dudu's Recipe. You can like, you can share. If you like my cooking, you can practice it and then you give me feedback. So our G-nut sauce is ready. You can see the oil on top, just as I told you that G-nuts, they have oil in them, so that is why you're advised to use little oil. So our sauce is ready. G-nut paste with silverfish. In Uganda we call it mukene. So you give it a good stir and then you serve. We are serving it with bananas, but you can serve it with any other food. You can serve it with rice, you can serve it with posho. So if you like my cooking, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like, you can view, you can comment and bring in those questions, and we enjoy cooking with Dudu's recipes. Thank you.